Hi guys, it's your girl Cindy. So on today's episode, I want us to be talking about Whitemoney. Yes, BB Naija season 6 winner. Why so much hate? Why you no like Whitemoney? Eh? Whitemoney dressed up in one occasion like that the other day and wore skirt trouser. If you see people's comments, you go weep for him. People were bashing him. They were like, which kind dress be this? Go they do this one. Why you wear this one? The 8 comments were too much. Why you no like Whitemoney? Wetin Whitemoney do now? You don't rush drop a video now. Let's watch the video.
Yo, so ignore the glowing skin and the shiny face and just pay attention, especially to you guys who use free Wi-Fi and free MTN night browsing to drag people or tag people. I see tags about my outfits. I don't know what the F is wrong with y'all, man. That is my style. The skirt trousers is not the first. I'm not the first person to rock a skirt trousers. I mean, if Ebuka rocks that shit, y'all gonna scream fashionista. Bella Shmurda rocks that shit. I don't see you guys dragging him. Or Ebuka Oti. But because it's Whitemoney, you want to talk. You want to make on the go and talk. But guess what? A lot of skirt trousers is coming out from where that one came from. Oh, yeah, to say, you know, you joke. You never see Johnson. I'll rock my outfit. Keep posting me because I know my name gives you all traffic on your blog, on your pages. I'm cool with that. Drag me, but you can't drag who is dragged. Stop.
You see? Nwoke bugo the mirror. Nwoke atọrọ nsogbu. Why internet dey true am? Why you no like am? If na Ebuka or Uti or which other person they dress like that, or even Asake, yes, Asake they dress like that. If na these people dress like this now, una go dey hail them. Because say na Whitemoney, everybody come open eye wa, or abi open mouth while they talk. Because say you get cheap data. I beg, me una free Whitemoney. Anything way you like, me you dress. You no concern una.